These cutting-edge tools aren't just machines. They're the heartbeat of a new era in farming. From precision seeders and autonomous harvesters to AI-powered irrigation systems, high-tech agriculture is transforming how we grow food. Sit tight as we take you on a fascinating journey through the world of modern agricultural machinery on Discover Tech. They've nicknamed it the box eater, and for good reason. It hauls 22 harvest containers in a single run, smooth and effortless. No stress, no slowdown. Famco engineered a true heavyweight workhorse. Formerly utilized in rescue operations, this aircraft now serves agricultural purposes with remarkable efficiency. Equipped with a single engine and dual propellers, it performs precision irrigation flights from compact airfields, demonstrating its versatility and professional-grade capabilities. Designed for continuous efficiency, this Fumaco harvester identifies, collects, and stacks almonds and apples before they hit the ground. With reliable hydraulics, an integrated pickup system, and synchronized conveyors, it operates seamlessly over extended periods. The Power Rake by NROC delivers efficient and flexible raking performance, thanks to its independently articulated arms that adapt seamlessly to varied terrain conditions. It produces clean, uniform swaths and enhances collection efficiency, streamlining field operations. The Simon S3 CMR is a reliable solution for efficient carrot and beet harvesting. The single-row harvester combines speed with precision, utilizing advanced digging and peeling systems to minimize crop loss. Optional features such as centralized lubrication and a debris sorter further enhance operational performance and productivity. Presenting the Alpha R Active, an advanced spraying system where innovation meets field performance. Initially developed for IRA Meteor trailed sprayers, it is now integrated into Alpha self-propelled models, delivering highly accurate application with reduced chemical waste. Equipped with dual diaphragm pumps and a durable, streamlined design, it sets a new benchmark in spraying efficiency and reliability. Afron's dual boom system gets the job done on both sides in one smooth pass. Perfect hedges down to the inch. No extra turns, no wasted time. Clean, fast, symmetrical. The Commander Angra cabbage harvester delivers accurate root cutting and gentle crop handling, making it ideal for both long-term storage and immediate market distribution. The 14th Commander, along with 3 integrated harvesters, transforms cabbage and broccoli, harvesting with adjustable speed control, real-time sorting, adaptable conveyors, and full camera monitoring, ensuring high efficiency and superior product quality. The DeWolf 2-row harvester demonstrates exceptional field performance, combining high-precision carrot extraction with gentle handling. Engineered to navigate uneven terrain with ease, its track system ensures stability and consistency across variable conditions. Zadig Precision Bureau RI delivers zone-specific irrigation control via smartphone, optimizing water distribution, reducing soil erosion, and boosting crop yields. It represents peak irrigation efficiency, an essential tool for long-term agricultural sustainability. This modified Fiat tractor demonstrates advanced agricultural engineering, featuring an 8-wheel configuration and a hydraulic system capable of placing irrigation lines between crop rows with remarkable precision, minimizing plant disturbance and maximizing efficiency. Tillmore's finger weeder offers a precision cultivation solution using flexible tines to remove weeds efficiently around sensitive plants. This reduces reliance on manual labor while improving consistency and ease in weed management. For the relocation of mature trees, DeMontech provides a specialized solution. Its large curved shovel system encircles and extracts the tree along with its root structure, ensuring minimal stress and damage. The technology enables efficient, safe transplantation of fully developed trees. The Commander, along with 3 integrated harvesters, transforms broccoli and cabbage harvesting through adjustable speed control, real-time sorting, flexible conveyor systems, and full camera monitoring. The result is a highly efficient process with consistently high-quality output. AMB Rousse introduces the world's most advanced and versatile hazelnut harvester. This high-capacity machine performs simultaneous shaking, collection, sorting, and loading, optimizing efficiency while ensuring maximum yield with minimal loss. The power rake from a nosy delivers efficient and flexible operation with independently articulated arms, allowing it to adapt seamlessly to varied field conditions. It produces precise swaths and supports optimal material collection, significantly enhancing fieldwork efficiency. This machine pulls up green onions 1 row at a time and lays them on a belt. 2 workers pack them into boxes without rushing. Everything runs smoothly, no one gets tired, and every part of the onion stays in perfect shape. The Polaris Stigo 285 Pro is great at packing silage tight and keeping air out, which helps prevent spoilage. It's heavy thanks to water, sand, or molasses inside, and works really well with the Polaris Viking. With adjustable arms and optional forks, it's efficient and easy to use. Cotton harvesting in Brazil is characterized by large-scale, high-efficiency machinery. These multi-row harvesters traverse the fields with powerful suction capabilities, efficiently collecting cotton while leaving behind clean, uniform rows. A combination of strength, precision, and advanced engineering. The Commander, along with 3 integrated harvesters, transforms broccoli and cabbage harvesting through adjustable speed control, real-time sorting, flexible conveyor systems, and full camera monitoring. The result is a highly efficient process with consistently high-quality output. This DEMCON machine doesn't plant trees. It helps you do it perfectly. It measures how far apart, how deep, and how straight the seedling should go. Then with one press, it sets the root in place, packs the soil, and the tree stands ready, all without a shovel. Bellinger Estates and Warriors Rest have implemented AVIX laser technology as an alternative to traditional bird deterrence, such as nets and acoustic devices. This approach has led to a significant reduction in crop damage, decreased labor requirements, and greater assurance during harvest periods. Despite spinach's sensitivity as a crop, this harvesting system ensures gentle handling throughout the process. It precisely cuts, collects into trays, and prepares the product for immediate packaging, all operated via a single intuitive joystick control interface. The Hemos Melentos ET makes cleaning ditches easy. It uses strong water jets and spinning rollers to remove plants and stop water from building up. You can adjust its width from 24 to 47 inches, and it either spreads the debris or stacks it neatly on the side. The Stevia harvester delivers high-efficiency performance with a front-mounted rotating drum designed for continuous biomass processing. It ensures complete plant intake into the hopper with minimal loss and seamless operation, optimizing harvest speed and output. The Terratch holder with crest-cold fingers makes weeding easy and accurate. It gently breaks up the soil and pulls out weeds without hurting your vegetables, helping them grow better. Thanks for tuning in to Discover Tech. Every video you see is the result of a whole team, editor, writer, designer, and content manager, working hard to bring you great content every day. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next video.